So now today I will take one more topic that is common for all mechanical and electrical people as well as civil architecture also. They have to be do this one. So in Collaborate there is one more important menu is there, that is copy by monitor. Copy monitor or copy by monitor. This topic we will discuss today. It's a very much important because what will happen when you will work in AutoCAD, so each and every component we can able to copy from one file to another file. It's possible in AutoCAD as well as in other any tool, any application. If you take it, it will be possible because we can go with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, copy paste. We can copy from one file to another file. But in Revit, that is not possible. We can't do. But some of the components they have given in such a way that components only we can able to do the copy paste. But rest of the components it will be not come. Okay, so that components how we will take from one file to another file, and that is the process we will follow this copy by monitor. Okay, some of the components, very few components only we can make it copy paste from one file to another file. If it is having same file, in AutoCAD also with the help of copy we are using that component multiple places paste, copy and paste. That is in AutoCAD it's possible. There is a CO1 command is there, CO copy, and wherever you require you just do copy paste. So it is possible in AutoCAD. In Revit also same file, same project, same component, if you want to make it copy paste, you can do it. It is possible. But if there is one more Revit file and here you open one more Revit file, so there are two different types of files will be there, but from one file to another file if you want to make it copy, so that is here copy paste is not possible. If you are making copies, sir, here one project already I have earlier placed one columns, so I will make it copy this column and I will place it another file this column, it will be not come. It is not possible. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V is not possible here. In Revit only we can do the copy paste only 2D elements like text, line, 2D line, yeah, any component which is placed in 2D line diagram, something that is possible. From one file to another file we can make it copy. But here whatever the components we are creating, that is in 3D model. So all the 3D components is copy paste is not possible. We can't do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V here, it is not going to be work out. Okay, so like that here one menu we have got in Collaborate, there is a copy by monitor. This option, with the help of this option only we can do some of the few components copy paste directly. But here the process is not like that, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. With the help of copy monitor only we can do that copy paste. And exactly that component where it was there, exactly the same place only it is going to be make it copy paste. That's all. But in AutoCAD, after making Ctrl+C, we can make it paste somewhere else apart from the same location. We can do wherever we required, we can make it paste. But here this copy monitor, it's not possible. It will become exactly the same location, same coordinates in other file, which coordinates this location of the component which has been placed. The same component, same location, it's going to become here also the same file in that position only. Only single 1 mm difference also will be not come. Okay, so this way we can use this copy monitor by copying the object from one file to another file. Okay, so here you just write a description here to copy the component or equipment, something 3D component, whatever you can say it, to copy the component from one file to another file, to other file or another file, without using copy paste, copy by paste. So this copy monitor will be used in such a way because we can directly copy the component from one file to another, from file to other file, one file to the other file. One file, you just write here one file to another file without using copy paste. Control C, Control V we can't use here. So what type of components we can able to take the copy paste from one file to another file? There is some of the components it is given, like the first component is levels. We can copy the levels, we can copy the grids. Okay, grids also we can able to copy, like column means structural column, we can able to copy wall, floor and roof. Okay, these are the components we are going to make it copy. So levels, grids, column, wall, floor, roof. These are the components only we can able to make it copy from one file to another file. But here Control C, Control V is not going to work. There is some process is there. So with the help of that process only we can able to make it the component from exactly the same location we can take it. It will becomes as a carbon copy, like that it will become same to same size, same view, same material, everything will be as a carbon copy. It is going to become in another file, from one project file to another project file. So with the help of this we can able to do it here, the copy monitor. Okay, so first we will use for the levels and grids, because here this is very much important, because what will happen when you will go any company. So actually this levels and grids initially you have did manually, am I right? Manually you have did by seeing the AutoCAD what is the levels of the floor, you have made the number of levels, then you have placed the grids as per the location of the project. Okay, manually you have did. But some of the project what will happen, already some consultant company they already made this all levels, grids, everything they have completed. So again by using that file, if you want to go and then again new creation, it will be take some time. So already existing somebody has completed the levels and grids, so directly you can make it copy monitor here. No need to put again manually levels, grids, not required. So mostly these levels and grids MEP people will be do more, because what will happen, the civil engineer people, the civil BIM modelers, civil BIM engineers, they are going to provide the architecture structure file to the MEP, because without architecture structures MEP people can't do any work, because they have to be make their MEP model like equipment, piping or ducting, whatever they will do. So with the help of architecture structures models only they can able to make the model. So architecture structures who will provide, architecture people who is doing the architecture model, structure model, they has to be provide to MEP people. Am I right? So this MEP people what they will do, whatever the, because the architecture people when they are going to start any BIM modeling project, so initial what they will do, they will create all the levels, grids, everything they will place as per the information with the help of this BIM. So again the MEP people they will take their template, their subject, their template views, everything, their families they will take. So again MEP people also they have to be provide the levels and grids. Am I right? So here if the architecture peoples they are providing the file to the MEP peoples, so that time they no need to go again grids placement, and they no need to go again the levels placement. So they can directly take the levels and grids with the help of this copy monitor. We can take it. So how it is going to be take the levels and grids copy monitor, how it is possible, we will learn today this topic also. Okay, so when you will start any project, if you have the input file in Revit, then with the help of Revit only this copy monitor is possible, because without Revit file copy monitor is not possible. Some people they will think in such a way, sir, if I with the help of AutoCAD file also we can do the copy monitor. It's not possible, because copy monitor is possible only when there is another file is also in the Revit model. then only it is possible. Any other software, if it is there, some 3ds Max or some Pro E, Catia, Hypermesh, some other tool is there, it's not possible. We can't take, because the file format should be same. Then only we can able to do the copy monitor. So how it is possible and what are the process, shall we go and start with that. Okay, so now you just remember, now you start with a new project. Just what you will do, you will go file menu, you will start with new, and you are going to select the new project. Am I right? New project. So when you will select the new project, what you will see, there is a template file here, it is asking. Am I right? The same process as per the template file, you just select it and just go with open, or here if you click, so you will get a new project file. Am I right? Before you start the project like that. So MEP people also, they will start the project this way. So after opening, already you have seen here, there are 2 levels will be coming default. Am I right? Level 1 and one more level it is going to be coming, that is level 2. This is the 2 levels it is coming. Here the value is 0,0 and here the value is 4000. The 2 levels it is coming default. Apart from the 2 levels, if the project is having some 10 floors, 20 floors, 50 floors, so manually you are creating one level. Am I right? Previously you have did the same thing as per the project which I have given for the practice. So here what you will do, if you are going to take the levels and grids from another file, so you have to go on file menu, new project, new template file, you just take it. And after taking whatever the levels you are finding in north elevation, level 1 and level 2, these 2 levels you have to make it delete first with the help of window selection. Click and drag. Don't go single click. If you click single click, one level will be deleted, but the another level it is not going to be deleted. Single click delete is not possible here. You have to make it window selection, click and drag. You have to select both level at a time. So first what you will do, first you have to select the levels, because this levels requirement is not required your project, because your project will have separate file has given, and in that file, Revit file, there is a levels and grids already it was exist. So same grid, same levels, you want to make it copy your new project file. So that time this level is not necessary, so you have to make the delete of this level. Okay, so with the help of window selection, you have to make it delete this level. Okay, so with the help of window selection, when you will go with the delete button in our keyboard, here it is going to show you one dialog box. Would you like to delete these levels? Yes or no? Like that, one warning message will become. So if you go with yes, so that time this deleting this level is possible. If you go no, it will be not possible. Again it will become same as it is. So you have to click yes only. So after clicking the yes, these levels will be deleted. And when you will delete these levels, automatically what will happen in your project browser, where there is a floor plan, ceiling plan will be get it, that floor plan, ceiling plan is going to be deleted. Because there is no floor, there is no floor plan. Nothing will be there. It will be deleted automatically when you will delete these levels. Okay, so after deleting, if the floor plan and ceiling plan it is deleted, you don't bother about this, because that floor plan, ceiling plan, again we can take it, no issue, because these are the views of the project. In project browser it is going to become the views. So after deleting, what you have to do, the next process, after deleting you have to go insert menu, insert. There is one insert menu is there. Where you will find this insert menu? Already I told you, there is architecture menu, structure menu, steel menu, precast menu, system menu. After system you will find there is a insert menu is there. Have you seen that in Revit? Yes, there or not? If it is not there, you check it right now. If you open, there is one insert, one menu is there. Have you seen? Yes guys? Yes. So beside the insert you will find there is one more menu is there, annotate. Am I right? So you have to go with the insert menu. After clicking, if you click the insert menu, there will be a number of ribbon menus will become. In the ribbon menu, first menu is the link Revit. One menu is there. Have you seen that menu? Link Revit. There is a link Revit, link CAD, link IFC, like that. There are number of menus is there in the insert menu bar. So there is one menu is there, link Revit. Link Revit is nothing but we have to link the project in your present project file which you have opened. Linking is nothing but here XREF, reference file. Okay, in technical word in the BIM they are calling link, but in AutoCAD if you go, the AutoCAD peoples they will call as a reference file, XREF file. In AutoCAD also we can put number of files as a background, that we will call as a reference file. Okay, in AutoCAD also we can make it number of file as a reference. So here link is nothing but it's a reference file. You can write there here discussion. Link is nothing but a reference and file. So what type of file? Revit file. So we have to make it reference. So here in Revit we can take multiple files as a reference. No issue. There is no limited. Unlimited. You can make it a reference as a thousands of files also. It will become. And each and every reference file you can make it load. We can make it unload. We can remove also. If you don't require, you can make it remove, you can make it load, you can unload. Because when you will want to see that file in your project, so you can make it load. When you don't want, you can make it unload. That is possible here. Okay, so that type of reference we will go with the link Revit. So here you have to click the link Revit file, and after clicking the link Revit file, then you have to choose the path. Choose the path. Path means which file, from which file to which file you are going to make the copy monitor. So you have to choose the path. Means some external file is there. In that file you already the levels copy, levels and grids already it was exist. So that file you have to choose here. And after choosing, when you will select that file, there is an option will become open. So you just click that open file. So what will happen here, that file is going to be linked out in your project. Means it will become directly in your screen. It is going to be visible. But that file, when it is going to become, it will be look as a block. If you click that file, so whole model is going to be visualize your project. Okay, so the reference file will become as a block. Not pieces, it will become as a single file. So in that file, you just make it link. So what you will see here, when you will delete this level, so automatically only elevation views will be there in the project browser. The other views is going to be deleted. Even the 3D file, 3D will be there and elevation will be there. The rest of the floor plan is going to be deleted. So when you will link it that file, automatically the elevation views of that link file also it is going to be visible here. Okay, so after getting the link, then you have to go the copy monitor. So here in this copy monitor, there is a process is there. You have to click the copy monitor. After clicking the copy monitor, there is an option is there, select link. Select link and one option is there. You just click the select link. After clicking the select link, then you have to come the cursor. Your cursor, you have to come with the cursor, your mouse cursor. You have to click the link file. Got it? If you go with the copy monitor, if you click it the copy monitor, there is an option will become select link. You just click that select link. After clicking the select link, your cursor has to become in the screen. Wherever the model views will be there in your screen, you just click over the link file. After clicking the link file, automatically the about toolbar menus is going to be changed automatically. And in the toolbar you will find there will be some option will become, there is an option beside there is a copy, beside there is a monitor, and beside there is a coordination. Like that some of the menus you can able to find out after clicking the Revit file model, that is link file. So first option you have to go, you have to click the first option. After clicking the first option, there is one palette will become. One palette will become, in that palette there is an option is there, reuse. There is an option will be there in the palette, reuse. So in that option reuse, there is an drop menus will be there. There are 3 types of drop menus will be there. So in that 3 types of drop menu, you have to select the menu reuse if element match exactly. This menu you have to take. Reuse if element match exactly. You have to select that menu in the option of reuse menu. Because first menu you have to go option. If you click the option, one palette will become in front of you. In the palette, there is one menu will be there, reuse. Beside also, there will be a 2-3 menus will become, but you just follow this reuse menu. So you just click the reuse menu, say there is a drop menus will be there. So in the drop menus, you have to select the reuse if element match exactly. You have to select that menu. Don't select other menu, you just go that menu. Because in that also there will two types of menus. One is do not use, another is it will become match use, something it will become. But you have to go this reuse if element match exactly, you have to select. After selecting, just go with the OK button. You just click it OK. So this option work has been done. Then again you have to click copy. So after clicking copy, there is an option will become in the menu multiple. There is a box it will become, and in the box you have to put tick mark. You just click it, it will become a tick mark, multiple. Because if you go with copy, if you are not selecting multiple, what will happen? Your levels is not going to be comes. So here in option, if you click in option, there will be a something, the menu will be there. There is levels, grids. Okay, these all menus will become columns, walls, floors, roofs. These all menus will become in option menu. So first we are working with the levels, so you have to click levels. Because the first copy monitor we will do levels only. Because without levels we can't place any grids. So first you have to do levels copy monitor. So you have to click levels, then this palette will become. In that palette, you just go with reuse if element match exactly. Then you have to click the copy. After clicking the copy, there is an option will become multiple. You have to put the tick mark of multiple. So after putting the tick mark on multiple, then you just go in your screen and you have to select the all levels. You have to select the levels. Select the levels in link file. Whatever the link file you have did, in that link file you have to select the levels. Select the levels. So with the help of window selection, you just select the levels. After selecting, in beside the multiple, you will find there is one filter option will be there. Filter. It will be look as a funnel. It will become like that. It will look as a funnel. This funnel is nothing but it's a filter menu. You just click that funnel menu. If you click, so there is one palette will become. So in that palette, it is going to be show you how many components you have selected while multiple options when we are used. So in the menus, it is going to be show you the selection name of the component. So right now we are selecting the levels, so you have just keep the levels tick mark on, remaining tick mark you have to make it off. If it is selected, if it is not selected, no bother about that. So you have to select the levels. After selecting the levels, then you have to go, one option is there, finish. One option will be there, beside that multiple, you will find one more option. Palette will become finish, means after selecting the levels, you just click the finish. So when you will click the finish, automatically what happen here, your screen is going to be buffer sometimes, because that whatever the levels exactly the reference file, that the link file has came, same exactly same location, same position, again the same levels, one more copy has been going to be work out here if you click the finish. So after finishing, there is one small symbols will become, and that symbols we will call as a monitor. so monitoring symbols will become. So if the monitor symbols came with all the levels, then you can understand that yes, all the levels has been copied perfectly as per the reference file which you have taken as a link file. It will become. Okay, so after completion of this finish, again you have to go one more finish menu is there. One more finish menu, you just put the tick mark. One beside that there is one tick mark will be there. You just click that tick mark. So your copy monitor has been done with the levels. Only the levels copy monitor has been. So this is the process for making the copy monitor from one file to the another file. So this way the levels is going to be copy monitor. So after completion of the levels copy monitor, then whatever the levels you have made the copy monitor, all the levels will be come as per the levels, the naming, everything which you have given. So after that what we have to do? After that there is a one menu is there, view. So in that menu, if you go here, there is one more menu is there, plan views. Have you checked that one? Plan views. Plan views will be there in view menu. So if you click that plan views, again on palette will become like that. So this palette you will find there is a floor plan, there is a structural plan. Okay, like that you will find here. And there is a ceiling plan. Ceiling plan also it will be there here. And you will find area plan. And one more plan, it is the region plan. So like that you will find there is a flag. So if you require floor plan, so you can click floor plan. If you require structure plan, you have to go with them, because already I told you in view templates there is a floor plan. In that floor plan all the views is going to be assigned with the view template, so that you have to take it here. So floor plan, structure plan, ceiling plan, like that, which plan you required in the project browser, you have to go. So you just click the floor plan. Again you have to go and select the view template. Here one more palette will becomes, and in that palette it will be written as a view templates. So this palette you have to select the view template. So in view template also already I told you there is an architecture plan, there is a structural plan. Structure means a structure, foundation or framing, whatever you require you can go with that. And there is a ceiling plan also will be there, ceiling template. Okay, so like that which template you require you just. So right now we have selected here floor plan, so you have to go architecture floor plan. So architecture floor plan, if you click it and you just go with the tick mark here, so what will happen, that template has been selected. After selection of the template, then again one more palette will be there, and in that palette you will find all the levels is going to be assigned. So whatever the levels is there in the reference file, the same levels will be, you will find there, level 1, level 2, like that. How many levels are there, how many floors are there, so all the floors levels will be found in this way. So just select with the help of shift button, shift and select it, plus select all the levels. So all the levels, after selecting you just go with the OK button, then you can find this all levels will be assigned in project browser. It will become with the name of floor plan. So like that after making this copy monitor, whatever the levels you have made the copy monitor, that level we have to use with the assignment of view, plan views, and here you have to assign with the view templates. So with the help of view templates only, this architecture and structure or ceiling or MEP, if you are working with the MEP, so MEP also you have to go the template. So with the help of templates only, this all views is going to be assigned in a project browser. So this way we have to work out, and instead that this levels and grids copy monitor, this like that we have to work out in the same way. So after completion of the levels copy monitor, then your floor plan will become. So in the floor plan also you have to work out the same process here, how we have did the levels. So here in floor plan also, because after getting the floor plan you will find the layout top view. So in that top view also you have to make the copy monitor all the grids. No need to place again, because how you are making the levels copy monitor, the same grids also you have to make the copy monitor. So how the same process, again you have to go collaborate copy by monitor, select the link, you just click the link. After clicking the link, you just come with the cursor and select the reference file, which file you have made the link. So after clicking that link, then automatically this option menu will become. But before you have selected the levels, now you have to select the grids. You have to select the grids. After selecting the grids, now you will find here again there is a reuse if element match exactly, this option will be come in a palette. So you have to select this option, go with OK. Then after clicking OK, then you have to go multiple. You just put the tick mark on multiple, and with the help of multiple, with the selection, you just put the copy of all the grids in a screen. So you here, after selecting, you just go with the grids. So here you have to go with the multiple of select the grids, same process. With the help of window selection, just select it. And after selection, here there is a funnel menu will be there. In that funnel menu, you have to filter the grids. So here also in funnel menu, you have to go and filter the grids, and in that grids only you have to put the tick mark. And after getting the grids, then you have to go finish, and after clicking finish, then you have to come out from that copy monitor, then you have to go and more finish. So if you do like that, so whatever the grids will be there, the grids will be comes directly as a carbon copy as per the reference file. So where the location will be the levels, where the location of the grids will be there, exactly the same location, same place it is going to be assigned the grids and levels. So this is the way we have to work out for this copy by monitor, because here no need to place manually, we have to work with the copy monitor only. So here this copy monitor will be used for the MEP team mostly, because what will happen, the MEP team will be start the work when architecture structure model file when they receive. If MEP people, if they not receive the architecture file, they never do anything the modeling of MEP services, because MEP services is totally depends on architecture. Because if there is a no room, there is no building, so where this MEP service is going to be designed? Because with the help of this room area space only, the HVAC designing, the electrical designing, plumbing, everything they will design as per the rooms only, because they need to calculate the room volume, then only they will get the capacity, they will get the value, they will get the area, everything they will get it. With the help of that only, the MEP people will be design the file. So here architecture is very much important. So while working in the building in BIM projects, so architecture people, when they will start the project, so they will create the grids and levels, everything they will create it. So already it is there in the architecture structure model. So directly the MEP people, what they will do, they will link that file, they will take as a reference that architecture file. So whatever the levels and grids is present in that architecture model, so they will simply copy and monitor process they will do for the MEP people. So like that the MEP people will be use moreover this copy monitor in a project. Now you will get a doubt that, sir, then because architecture people only they are preparing this levels and grids, so copy monitor may be not use the architect. No, they may be used, because some companies, some consultant people, what they will do, they are going to prepare some tender drawing or some design drawing. So that time what happen, when they will get the tender drawing or design drawing, and by seeing that the tender drawing and design drawing, you have to create the shop drawing. So that time the tender drawing, when they will create it, that time they will create all the levels, all the grids they will create it. So again that tender drawing you have to take as a reference with the help of link file Revit. You have to make it link in your project, your template, which template you are working for the shop drawing. So just make it link, and in that tender drawing or design drawing, whatever the levels, whatever the grids are there, that grids you have to make it copy monitor. This way we have to do it. Okay, so like that the architecture people, but this is rare cases, because most of the projects the architecture team only has to prepare the levels. So I may say that maybe some 10 to 20% companies, they will be give tender or design drawing to the architecture team, then only they will have to do the copy monitor. But most of the consulting companies, they are not waiting for the tender drawing, because their company itself only, they are doing all this tender drawing, everything. So they will directly tell you to just start with the shop drawing. So that time they will give all the reference file, because they will give in AutoCAD. With the help of AutoCAD, you have to create the levels, you have to create the grids. This way you will be have to go with the AutoCAD input file, but there is no requirement for the copy method that time. Okay, so this way the architecture team has to be done. But here the MEP team, they will wait for the architecture team. Okay, but sometimes what will happen, the MEP team also will be start the project by creating own levels and grids, because their company people, they never wait for getting the architecture's model, but actually the rule is that without architectures, the MEP team should not start any project, because the architectures only the reference for the MEP people. But some projects, what will happen, already in AutoCAD drawings, already the MEP design already has been done, and they have received the AutoCAD files. With the help of that AutoCAD design, they have to create the BIM model. With some LOD description, they will get it. With this base only, they will do that. So that time what will happen, their team, their management, they will never wait for the architecture. So that time they will initiate their team that you start the project, you just create all the levels and grids, and manually you just start the project. When the architectures people will be give the architecture's model, then only you just take it that levels and grids, and you just proceed further. But before you started that project, so that time what will happen, the MEP team, they will start the project by seeing that AutoCAD structures file, the grids, level, everything, they will follow the same. But what will happen, if architectures, again the team people, the architecture team has given, that time they have to link the file once again, and they have to match the levels and grids. Again they have to match. Maybe in architecture team, some of the levels may be vary, some of the grids may be vary, so that changes if it is happen. So that time, that also you have to coordinate with them. But it's a risky project, a risky situation will be there, because if one grid and one levels, if the value has changed, means the entire project is going to be get disturbed. So that time it is very risky. But some companies people, they will never wait for the architecture model, so they will tell in such a way to start the project, because there will be urgency, submission will be there, there is urgency basis, the project has to be completed. So that's the reason that time they will do. But actually the process is, we have to wait for the architecture's model, because MEP team should not do any project without the architectures. Okay, so like that here, the columns, walls, floors and roof also, we have to make the copy monitor, because some MEP team, they require columns. So they will take the columns. They require walls, so they will take the walls. They require floor, they will take the floors. Okay, so that time what will happen, the architecture team, already the model has been developed. So in that model, all the walls, columns, everything will be there in that. And the same columns, walls, they will make it copy monitor, and they will insert it into MEP project. Because some design purpose or some calculation purpose, they require this one for the MEP team. So that's the reason they will do it. But architecture people, they will never do columns, walls, copy monitor, because they already have their model. Again, why they will do? They are not required. So that's the reason here MEP team will be used more over the time this copy monitor, because they require this one. With the help of this copy monitor only, they have to work out further for the continuation of them, because it's a less time taken, because if you go and create manually, it will be take a lot of times. So that's the reason this copy monitor will be here, because it's a fraction of minute, you can get all the levels and grid, and whatever the naming, whatever the letter, alphabetical, what is there in the levels in the reference file, same it will becomes as a carbon copy. It will be get it to you. So this way, the architecture's team will be develop the model, and MEP team also is going to be developed. But you have to follow here the views, because in the views, this all floor plan, 3D plan, structure plan, section plan will be assigned with the view templates. So again, you have to go view templates, you have to make the properties settings, you have to make the visibility settings, everything that you have to go and work out the same. No need to wait for that. Okay, so like that, each and every projects when you will going to start, you have to go with the copy monitor if it is necessary. If it is not necessary, you just leave it, no issue. But manually you have to do the process same. Okay, so I think everyone has got the idea about what is copy monitor and how to do the copy monitor in a project. Okay, so okay, fine. So we will proceed for the next class. Thank you.